Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can sign in into CapCut PC using your TikTok account. So if you have a TikTok account, you can easily log in into CapCut, and here's how you can do it. So first, just open the CapCut PC on your laptop or computer. Then click on the sign in options at the top left corner, and in here you'll be provided with some options. But if you want to use TikTok to log into CapCut, you can just choose the sign in with TikTok options. So when you click on that, you'll be directed to your browser and to the tiktok.com. Okay, so as you guys can see here, because I've already logged into my TikTok account in my browser, so it will lead me to just authorize a CapCut to my TikTok account. But if you haven't logged in the TikTok account in your browser, you need to first import your username and password to log in. Then you'll lead to this page. So I'm going to just click on authorize. And after that, the login has been success. And you can just click on open CapCut. And it will lead you back to the CapCut apps. And now I've already signed in with my TikTok account. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.